Welcome to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer. Now we are waiting for the festival of Raksha Bandhan. So let's go eco-friendly. This video will show you easy method to make seed Rakhis all by yourself and very quickly. For making seed Rakhi, we'll require these basic ingredients. One is a clay which is used for making statues, but don't worry if you can't find it. You can use multani mitti, which is easily available in any herbal shop or a chemist shop. Then of course, since it's a seed rakhi, next we require our fruit seeds or vegetable seeds or flowering seeds and one roll of ribbon, or you can use some decorative thread also, but use a ribbon or thread which is strong enough. Then we'll require a mixing container for making a dough. Any repurpose container you can use. And after that you'll be requiring of course water and nice fistful of vermicompost or a normal compost, or you can also use soil. Then in a mixing container, take equal proportion of clay or multani mitti, whichever is available easily with you. Then add same amount, as I said, equal proportion. So same amount of vermicompost or compost, or if you don't have both, you can take nice gardening soil also. Avoid any stones inside. Then add water in this mixture. Go on adding water slowly. We have to make a dough out of it. What we make, how we make dough for a bread or a chapati, like that. See, as you can see, the dough should be soft enough so that we can mold it accordingly. It should not be very watery, otherwise it's tough to make any shape out of it. See, this is how I've made a big ball out of it. Then for one rakhi, you will be requiring this much size of tiny ball of that dough. Then cut the ribbons as per the size required. Then now we'll decide which seeds to take. So for seed rakhi, it's better to take small seeds, something like lemon seeds or citrus fruit seeds, or even I'm going to use today lychee seeds for making one rakhi. But of course avoid taking big seeds like date seeds or chiku seeds. You can also use leafy vegetable seeds or flowering seeds. Then take a small ball, as big as a size of a marble. Then in that now we are going to add 3 seeds. So here I have chosen lemon seeds and I am putting it in the dough, soft dough, and then I will cover those seeds completely, so they are inside, hidden in the clay or in our dough. And then again make a round ball and then shape it like a disc. The size should be as big as a striker size. Then take a small dough ball smaller than our main rakhi, and I will show you how to use it. Take a ribbon, then at the bottom of the ribbon in the center put the small dough piece, and on the top put our big disc, which is going to be our main rakhi. So this ribbon will be sandwiched between the two small discs. That will ensure that ribbon gets stuck well and our rakhi remains intact. See, now I'm again shaping it flat so that it's easy to decorate later. And now we are sticking both the discs of the dough together so that ribbon is in the center, nicely stuck. See, this is how we have shaped the rakhi in the center. And just ensure that the surface is nicely flat by giving slight pressure. Yes, so that there are no cracks in that dough. Now this way I am making few more and keeping it for. So 3 Rakhis are ready here, and now we'll use some easy ideas to decorate them. I have cut few papers in round shape and I'm using Fevicol glue to stick it to the Rakhi. You can use some organic glue like made of flour so that it is completely organic Rakhi, but I am using right now the ready-made available glue. Then I am sticking this way papers on all 3 Rakhis, and then here I am going to stick one cute little picture on this to beautify it. You can use various ideas. You can use a piece of wool, you can use various stickers, then buttons. Also you can use some nice organic paint to color the Rakhi directly, so without using any paper. See, you can involve kids in this activity so that they also get to have some fun artwork. So I am using here some stickers and also some wool available with me. Yes, so all 3 Rakhis are ready. This is a Rakhi of Diego and Dora, the famous brother sister. Then this is Avenger Rakhi. And see how sturdy all these 3 Rakhis are. Very easy to handle, and if you keep them for drying for 8 to 10 hours, they become further strong and they will last longer. Then once the festival is over, you can put this Rakhi seeds or the whole Rakhi itself in a pot, and nice trees can grow from here. So if you are using fruit seeds, you can put these Rakhis in an open space so nice tree can come. Or if you are using leafy vegetables, you can just grow it in your nice tiny pot. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer and give your comments.